Need a reliable source for quality construction workers? Introducing Faber Connect, your marketplace to connect with the best construction workers in your area. First, create a project so you can view and manage all active workers. Then you can make a simple request for the type of worker required. Your request then goes out to thousands of profiles in our trades database. You'll receive notifications as local workers apply to your request. You review their profiles, confirm the profile you like, and you're done. Once that worker has started, you can approve weekly hours logged by the workers and pay a simple invoice at the end of the week. Faber Connect. Save time having the construction workforce at your fingertips.